Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to register Bingo Plus in GCash. So let's start. GCash and Arena Plus is the same way to do it. So I will share to you the steps for registering there. So friend, you have to GCash main page and click on the live button. From the live page, you can either search for Arena Plus directly or click on Play Games button and then click on Arena Plus, or in this case on Bingo Plus. Accept the opt page and click on the sign up button from the Arena Plus or Bingo Plus registration page to receive the OTP and finish the registration itself. Once you register, you will be able to see the Bingo Plus or Arena Plus main screen like this one. So that's how you can do it, guys. In fact, it's very easy. As you can see, you can start registering here and start playing the game without any problem. So I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.